Hi, I'm Anthony Vibin and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be seeing how to create text in Streamlit. So in the previous video, I would have given an introduction on how to create a sample title in the Streamlit. And this is how I've saved it. And when we see the entire output, it looks something like this. And this is the text which has been given inside. So I've given the link of the entire playlist in the description, so you can watch it from the first so that you understand the entire concept. And I've also created a virtual environment. If you haven't created a virtual environment, definitely also check my previous video so that you can create a virtual environment. So whenever you deploy this whole project into Heroku, the cloud, uh, creating a virtual environment will definitely help. So let's get started. Let's see what are the texts that we can create inside the Streamlit. So we have already seen how we create a title. This is how the title looks like. And if you want to create a header, and I can also create a subheader. I've saved this. So I go inside my terminal. It is already run, and this is the link that I've got. So once I paste this link, I'll get my output. This is my output 8501. And if you want to run this, you can see my previous video, or else you can just give this particular syntax which is here, that is Streamlit run, and whatever the code which you have given the name as, you have to give that name. So once you give that, we get inside this, and let me just refresh it. So we see that the title is created, header is created, and also the subheader is created. So let's go inside the Python code. In Streamlit, we also have something called text. I would say like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is a text that I would give. I've saved it and just refreshing it. So you could see that a text is being created. Definitely do like my channel also and subscribe it. The next, we have a markdown. So basically in a markdown, we can give any kind of string. That is, I would give a h1 tag and a h2 tag. Let's see how it is working. Basically, I have to just get it, remove the empty space, and trying to execute it again. So we see that whenever you give a single hash, it gives the biggest character. So whenever we give a double hash, we get the next to it. So it's basically like how we use Jupyter. Uh, the same way it works here also. Next, I would give triple hash. Let's see how it works, and also 4 hash h4 tag. So saved it and trying to execute here. So we can see that how it works. The next, I can also give some smileys over here. Let me check how it works. I would give a moon. Let's see if it works. Yeah, a moon, it works. Next, I could give multiple other smileys. Let me try sunglass. Let's see how it works. Wow, it also gives a sunglass. So we have something called a break statement that we can give, but in order to give a break statement, we can give something like this, that is BR. BR would be break statement, but I don't think this will be working. Let's just try this. Yeah, so we can see that, BR is there. So how we can make it work is we can give something like true within, no, this we can give within this commas. So let's try this. Mm, no, it hasn't worked. Let me just try it again. I don't know if I've saved it right. Yes, saved it. Trying to refresh it. Yes. So whenever we use a break statement, make sure that you give a true also here inside this. So that's how we work here inside the Markdown. And you can also use bold characters such as giving a bold statement. And I could also give italic. So let's see how this works. It definitely did work. So I could add this BR everywhere, here and here also, so that it comes to the next line. Maybe I can add it here also. So once I add this, we can see how this is created. The next, this is with the markdown. Next, I can show about how we use latex. So inside latex, we can add in strings. So just to save time, I'm just copying the entire string with the R command. So so mainly this latex is used to formulate things. So refreshing it, we could see that the formula has been done. So how they would have written is R to the power 2, R to the power 3. Everything will be compiled and it would have given in a right format. That's with LaTeX. So once this LaTeX is done, we have few more things to be doing with string format. So we have like how we have dot text, we have dot write also, st dot write. So basically, I can write anything inside, just like the Python print program. So for example, if I want to write my name is Anthony Vibin, so I could save this and would be small. And if I refresh this, we can see that this is the right statement. And I could also change this if I want to make it a single hash. What I would do is just go inside this and give a refresh. We can see that it is in a single hash format. I could also make this as triple hash. So when I make that as triple hash, we could see that it is smaller in size. So this is with string. I could literally do anything inside. Even with the smileys, I can definitely add that. So apart from this, what I would do is I can add few more things. Something like this. So inside this write statement, I can choose any variable within that. So for example, this is a certain variable. So the first one is a string. This is going to be a string. This is going to be a list. This is going to be a dictionary. So let's see one by one how it works. I'm going to give inside the right statement. The first is going to be a string. Second is going to be a list. And the third one is going to be a dictionary. So I've saved this. Let's go here and run it. So we can see that a string is being created. A list is also created. And this is basically the index of the list. And also we see that a dictionary is created. So we can also create data frames also that we can continue watching in the next video. But until then, if you have any questions, do comment here. I can definitely solve that out. So hope you like my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.